Hello everyone, how are you? Today I would like to share with you some cards I created for Lawn Fawn challenge. Yeah, let's get started. I created 3 cards. So we have, this is the first card, the slimline card. And I use different material to create the cards, like washi tape, glitter, not glitter, what do you call it, gold ribbon and dentelle, and also a fabric washi tape. Let me show it to you, like this ribbon, focus please. And I have fabric washi tape. This one I used, so cute. And also I used this piece of dentelle, beautiful. And for the stamp I used this stamp set called Bugs and Kisses. So I stamped them using Memento ink, but this is in a brown color, and I Copic color them. I use, to be honest, all the colors of let me show you the colors. The Copic marker. Oops.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I used all the shades of R and RV together. You will see that some color didn't blend together because I'm not following, the number system. I'm just, playing with all the red and pink, the pink shades. So this is the stamp. So this is the stamp, and the die also I used this die because this is a different, I put it in a different packaging, so it looks like add on, for jar and sweets. So yeah, and I made a shaker card full of glitters and sequins. Yeah, so this is my first card. The second card, to A2 size, also I used pink cardstock from Jenna K, and I die cut also the hearts from Lawn Fawn hearts, stackable hearts. I think this is the name, I don't know, or you can use, of course, any hard dies. And I made this hearts to be, the background for my shaker jar. Add some stickers, and again added some these cute bugs. And okay, yeah, and I decorated the edge using glitter washi tape. The last card, and this is my favorite card, this one. So this is a big jar, and this is the door, as if this is the house for the bugs. So cute. I used this die from Sizzix called yeah, here's the name, jar number 2. Focus please. Yeah, okay, it's called jar number 2. So I die cut the paper, then I also die cut the dentelle, and I cover it. I used a glue. The door also, it's a die by a Lawn Fawn. And yeah, I put a ribbon here, add the bugs here and there, and also some die cuts. This is the jelly beans, a heart, and a star. This also, it's here, it comes with the jar die. Yes, and I distress ink the door. I think I used spun sugar and tattered rose, and I added a flower, this flower from Prima. And yeah, so I don't know, I really love this project. I'm not a pink lover, but yeah, I like to use it. So here are all my cards. I hope you like them and you get inspired. If you want a tutorial for one of these cards, or even the 3 cards, write down below and I will be happy to recreate them. Maybe I will change the color scheme this time. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.